I know a lot of people like to make fun and tease in the comments that I elevate way too much or do stuff really nice. Actually, there's a new guy that said I didn't elevate enough. Well, I might disappoint on this episode because I'm going to show you guys a really fun, easy, simple staple that we love at our house. I'm going to show you guys a bacon ranch chicken chopped cheese. It's unbelievable, so good, so simple. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. I said it in a weird accent. CJ's messing with me over there again. Let me show you guys how to do it. First things first, our applewood thick cut bacon. Now I'm gonna take this thick cut bacon down. We're at about medium low heat. Essentially what we wanna do is create really crispy, stunning, gorgeous bacon, like breakfast bacon. And I like my bacon crispy. You ever seen the scale like 1 to 10? I'm like a 9.5. CJ's an 11.
Come on.
It's true. Once it's done, add a bit of paper towel to our side shelf. We're gonna pull that bacon off, let it drain. As it drains, it's gonna get even more crisp, and we definitely want the crispiness. We rendered out all that beautiful bacon fat, but we do want crisp bacon.
That's how I feel about bacon. That's why I always make it crispy.
I didn't say, you know what I didn't. Let's talk about our chicken. Today I'm using ground chicken. If you can't find it, ground beef works for this, but I feel like the chicken is just a different technique. We're gonna add that ground chicken right into our bacon fat. Now to that, I'm gonna add a bit of our cheesesteak seasoning and a bit of our Parmesan ranch. Now this isn't a cheesesteak, it's not really even a cheat steak. It's a bacon ranch chicken cheat steak. It is.
You're using the chopped cheese thing and a cheesesteak thing.
Because it's delicious. When your chicken's halfway there, what we're gonna do is take some sweet yellow onion. Let's dice it up pretty small, actually very small. Let's go very small. We want this to kind of liquefy into the chicken. Add that and give it a toss. What we're looking for is some texture. We want a bit of caramelization on the onions and on the chicken before we get to our cheese. If you're going through the process and you wanna add some more seasoning, go for it. This is your, I was gonna say chopped chicken cheese steak. It's not. It's a chicken chopped cheese.
Yeah, but just, you know, there's no rules sometimes. Just like in Philly when they call it a
which is true.
chicken steak.
If you haven't seen our Philly video, go back on the channel, go watch we explored Philly. Just go watch it. It's really good. While that chicken is cooking, let's get to our sauce. Now this is very simple. We are gonna start with some ranch, but that's not where the ranch part of this comes in. Well, I guess it is. It's ranch, right?
I mean, it's in the name.
It's not just a clever name. Nope. Wrong set. Wrong show. I'm gonna add a bit of ketchup. This is essentially like we call it special sauce, right? Like mayo, mustard, ketchup. He's such a child over here. And if you at home are laughing too.
Of course they're laughing.
So I got a bit of ranch, ketchup, mustard, and some sweet relish. Let's go a little bit more on the sweet relish. That looks good. We're gonna mix all of this together, and this is our special sauce. Essentially, it's the same thing as what everyone's used to for their burger sauce, but instead of mayo, we added ranch. Gives us a good color, really good flavor. That looks really good.
And a good name.
And a good name. It's extra special sauce. Special ranch sauce? Okay. Is that the name? I don't know, maybe. Now the rest of our vegetables are really simple. I've got some romaine lettuce. Now I want this to be nice and shredded. A very small little crunch is the way we want to go. I'm gonna cut my tomatoes in half. So we'll half moons of fresh tomato. Now let's add our cheese to our chicken. Don't skimp on the cheese. Today I have a bit of Colby Jack, but you could use whatever kind of cheese that you want. We're gonna cover this beautiful little mound. Oh yeah. Oh, all the yeses. You know what, while we're doing that, let's go ahead and cut our bread. Use a serrated knife and cut your hoagie rolls right down the middle. We basically just want a nice open cavity. Then once they're cut, we can go ahead and put them right down. Let's grab a little bit of that bacon fat. You see in the back right here, CJ? Look at that, we're gonna steal some of that bacon fat. Oh, this is the magic. Let's let that cruise. Let's do our other one too. A little bit of bacon fat, and let those toast away. Now we can toss the cheese in together. Oh wait, almost forgot. It's a bacon, right? Bacon. We're gonna crunch our bacon into it. Now we went really extra crispy, so it will break nice and easy. So decent small little bits. We'll crack this into our cheesesteak and toss everything together. Essentially what we want is a beautiful mix of all of our crazy beautiful ingredients. Beautiful is the name of the game today, CJ?
Well, beautiful, but also I will say the bacon looks beautiful, but that definitely slid into
no.
Come on.
Oh, and that bread. toasty perfection. Ethan, do you see this?
Yeah, I see it.
You know, off camera, Ethan said he knew this was gonna be good way before CJ did.
Sounds
Just
like
acknowledging.
he's
Let's start with some of our sauce. Be a little generous because this is a decent amount of chicken and bread. That's something to remember too. Sometimes with your sauces or your seasoning, depending on how many other ingredients you have going into it, a little on the salty side or a little on the heavy side on your seasoning is not always a bad thing. Like you ever make a really delicious pasta sauce and then once you add it to the noodles, it doesn't feel as vibrant, the flavor's not as vibrant as it was?
It happens to me on the weekly.
All right, sauce. Now let's add a bit of our lettuce. Let's add some of our tomato, and now it's time for our stunning chicken concoction. Look at this, CJ. Dude, you excited?
Yes. Even if Ethan called dibs first.
You don't want to go overkill, bud. If you go too much, you gotta gauge the size of the bun. That looks good. Does that look good to you?
Looks good to me.
All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Whoa, all the yes.
I think you might have overfilled.
Nah,
You
Yep.
actually have a problem with that, you know.
a little bit. Let's do it. No, do I?
You do.
I'm not the overfiller.
Technically.
All right, I'll go less on this one. Those big old pieces of bacon. Is that better for you, bud?
Feels better.
Ooh, melty cheese, crispy onions. All right, now the last little bit of magic, a little bit of ranch right over the top. And my friends, we are in Flavor Town. That's where we are. We made it. We made it. Let's take a bite.
Finally.
Ooh, cut that bad boy right down the middle. Look at that. Stunning. Stunning. Beautiful. All of them. Any more words, CJ?
I don't know. Did we decide,
You're welcome.
Did we decide if this is a chopped cheese or is it a chopped
This
chopped
is
chicken
a
cheese or a chopped
bacon
chicken
ranch,
cheesesteak?
bacon ranch chicken chopped cheese.
Okay.
Found it. Let's get into
Okay.
this. No, this is just gonna be a mess. We gotta go for it.
Oh, dude. See? What did I tell you? You overfilled. Yep.
If you don't look like this, you're not doing it right.
I don't know that that's actually true.
I'm gonna house this. I'm gonna Doogie house this.
Doogie House it, MD.
Indeed. There you go, my friends. Easy peasy. Definitely have a shower afterward. But hey, it's a delicious sandwich. If you're tailgating, if it's game day, whatever it is, these are a ton of fun. Be sure to check out Todd's show, Betty's show, CJ's show, Destination Delicious. You can click the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you get a notification every time. There's so many words at the ends of these videos. Did I miss Destination Delicious? Did I miss anything?
I think, no.
Leave a comment.
I think that's it.
Like it, share it, check out all the other shows. But this is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. This one is definitely not, I wouldn't say elevated,
No, dude.
but it's delicious. I'll see you guys in the next video.